Hi everyone, it's Maggie, and I'm here with a flip through of my latest design team project for Tracie Fox Love Junk Journals, and there'll be links in the description box below. And I used her Christmas kit Glad Tidings and made a one signature journal. And here's the cover. I tied it with some cranberry color sari silk. So I'm going to take that off so you can see. And I won't go into a lot of detail with the cover because I did do the cover in a previous video, a couple of videos back, or maybe it's the last one. I can't even remember anymore. But anyways, if you want to see how I made the cover, that video is in my list. And I made a fabric cover, and I used some muslin for, I believe, I used muslin and two pieces of it that I sewed together with some batting in between, for the cover. And I added this beautiful piece here over the muslin. And then this image is from Mrs. Cog, who is Mrs. Cog's Crafts on Etsy. And I love her images. And it was just so beautiful. And I used a little bit different colors. Normally, I know I used the image last year on a journal, and I'm pretty sure with the covers, I went in with mostly these colors here, and I think I had something with the darker red, but I wanted to do something different this year, and so I used pinks, and I know red and pinks, and this is a rose color. Not everybody thinks that the colors go together, but I really like how it came out. I wanted something different, and I think I did achieve that with at least with the pink against the red, the dark red. So that's the front cover, and you open it up, and here's a pocket. And what I did was I put in pieces. The kit was just full of ephemera and tags and that, so I put extra pieces in this pocket. And I just used a beautiful embroidered trim on I can't really remember what netting. It's just, I guess it's just netting, but I just thought, it was beautiful. And so here is the first page. I left some of her pages blank because I just didn't want to cover them up. So I tried to figure out how I could actually, I wanted it to be mainly a writing journal and be able to put some, like photos and that on some of the pages. So, and some of them weren't, I guess, weren't quite dry. So there's the first page. This page I did a collaging on, and I fussy cut a couple of the pieces from the kit. Hopefully it's coming out clear. Here's a little tuck spot, and I forgot to put something in there. So just to show you, I'll take out one of these tags for now and put that in there so you can see that that's a tuck spot. And you can put journaling behind it. And then here's some music paper. Now there's a couple of papers that I used from other kits, but honestly I can't even remember. I have so many different kits, like whose kit is whose, but I did need some for journaling and just some for leaving blank. And then I added this piece here just for a little interest. And then here's a pocket with a couple of tags that all I really had to do was distress a little bit. And I added this piece here. And then all the images that you'll see, there's a few more, are also from Mrs. Cog's Crafts. And I just love that image. It's so cute. And then here's a spot for a photo or more journaling. And then I also made some of these. I took some Christmas, oh my gosh, my mind just goes blank, especially when I try to think of a word, but they're charms, and I added them all on these, I think they call them ball pins. So here's another little collage page that I did, and I kept it really simple. This is from a book on Christmas in Holland, and I think it was from the very early 1900s or late 1800s. I had found it in an antique store a couple of years ago. Here's another page, and I just love these pages. I just have such a hard time covering them up, so I don't. And then here's another ruffle trim, and my friend Lorelle, who is also a design team member for Tracie, made me some ruffle trims. So I used that. And then here's another Christmas charm, a little snowman. It says Joie. Here's another collage page, warm and cozy. And then here's a bag, and it has an okay, this I made. It was one of the weekly challenges from Roxy Creations. And I've got to put something in here, so I'll have to do that. So there's that. And I had fun making these. These were fun. But it was from a couple of weeks ago. I know that. It's not our most recent one. And here's a piece of a ledger page. Love this writing. It's just so beautiful. Here's another page from the kit. Tracie did an amazing job on this kit. I just loved it. Here's some more journaling space, another fussy cut. Here's some Braille paper. I just went over a little bit with distress ink, just so you could see the dots a little better. And I know my lighting's bad, so I'll hold it up a little bit. And then here's another collage page. Here's another tuck spot with some journaling, tags and ephemera. And I loved these too. These are so cute. And then this page, I think this is one of my favorite pages with the lantern and the poinsettias. It's just beautiful. And then here's the middle of the signature, and it has some music paper. This is from a different kit. And then here's another tuck spot with more journaling spaces. And then here's another image from Mrs. Cog. She has some of my very favorite images. And then here's a large tuck spot that I used another page from. And then I just made a really large journaling card with some extra paper. This paper was actually a mistake. It's one of the papers from the kit, but I went to print on the back and I put it in my, my printer incorrectly. And I had this this Christmas collage paper that I was using for the back. And so it went on, but I kind of like how it came out. It made it look more distressed and I think older, a bit more vintage. Then here's the other half of that braille piece. Another place to put a photo. Here's another one of those charms, little bells. Here's the other piece of that beautiful journaling on the ledger. Here's the other half, and here's another one of those. And see, I made them and I just had to put them in the bag so I wouldn't forget. I will be adding something to that because this will be for sale. And then here's another tuck spot. Look at how it's just beautiful. Here's the other part of that Christmas in Holland. Another tuck spot with some tags. And then here's a Christmas tree charm. Oh, here's another one where I guess I didn't let it dry enough. And here's another place for an image. Here's another one of those large, the large side pocket. And then see, I did it to a couple of different pages that when I printed on the wrong side. But I do like how that came out. I might try that like on purpose next time. So there's another large journaling, or you could put a photo on it, whatever you wanted. Oh my goodness. And then this is probably my second favorite page here. It's just gorgeous. And some more music paper. Another place to journal. And I ended it. This is, the next to the last page with this beautiful picture of a Victorian Santa and the children sleeping. Peace on earth. And I just collaged it a little bit. And the little foxes down here. And then there's the last page. So that's it. That's my DT project. And if you'd like, leave me a comment. Let me know what you think. I hope you like it. And I'm not sure what I'm going to do for my next DT project. I have one that I keep having to put to the side because I get stumped on it. So I have no idea when that's going to be finished. But anyways, thanks for watching, everyone. And I'll be back again soon, maybe with a craft and chat next. So thanks for watching, and bye for now.